We begin this evening with a primetime news follow-up. More trouble in Mountain View Avenue in southeast St. Andrew, where several persons have been killed in a recent flare-up of violence between the nearby communities of Goodridge Lane and Jakes Road. Today, the people of Goodridge Lane took to the streets to voice their frustration with what's been happening. In the meantime, the police are also assuring residents that they, along with the military, will remain in the area until the violence is brought under control. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
Signs of frustration spilled over onto Mountain View Avenue on Boxing Day. The residents of Goodridge Lane off Mountain View upset over the latest eruption of violence said to be the result of a dispute over a construction project in the area. The incident has shattered years of peace in an area known for decades of violent uprisings. The latest warfare between residents of Goodridge Lane and Jakes Road, another community off Mountain View Avenue. And caught in the middle are residents who say they have nothing to do with the conflict and just want peace to continue. Several persons have been killed so far, and the police have had to increase patrols and monitor traffic flow in the area over the past few days. Under the cover of anonymity, 2 residents of Goodridge Lane voiced their concerns.
Sleepless nights, both for adults and children. Persons can't go to work. I'm a working person, and I could not even go to work yesterday. I could not go to work last night because it's nights I work, and I am not going to know that I am at work and the place is tense and I leave my children here go to work. I was in the house last night or early into this morning, and I was awoke by my child. She came in the room screaming, crying, "Mommy, mommy, mommy, I'm scared. Can I sleep with you?" And she had to stay in the room. We're tired of the foolishness. The children were supposed to have their treat yesterday, and because of this, no treat was kept.
I went to the shop. When I was coming back, me and my friend, we had stopped. Only thing we see is shots start firing at us. One got shot in his foot because they missed. A girl got shot at the bus stop, and it's just not good because I had to be running from the guys, 2 guys, and I had to be running from them with my baby in my hand.
The people say it's their 3rd protest and they will continue their stance until their concerns are addressed. The Peace Management Initiative, PMI, says it has been responding to the violence in Mountain View. PMI Executive Director Damien Hutchinson says a team will be going into the area by tomorrow.
Well, the PMI has started to engage key community leaders across the community and stakeholders around the current incidents. The violence has escalated now over the past 2 or so weeks. We have identified persons who have already been injured and started to treat with them. And as I said, been having conversations with persons who we believe can help to normalize the community again.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.